Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's August 31st, Lawrenceville, Georgia. That's zone 7B/8A right on the line. It's been cooler than usual. It's only in the mid 80s, not up in the high 90s or hundreds. The past couple of weeks have been nice. They're saying the next couple of weeks are going to be cooler than usual. So I'm going to be getting my potatoes put out. I've been having them get ready. I got lots of little starts here and we're going to get them done. I've made my labels. Since I don't remember the varieties, it's just red, white, and purple potatoes. So I'm going to go over with how we do it, because last year I got a really great harvest on Thanksgiving. Hoping I can do that again this year, and we'll have fresh potatoes to go with the turkey. So this is David at Grow and Eat This, and we're going to keep on going here and show you how we do these. Now I've emptied some of these fabric pots out that had peppers and stuff in them. I've still got one with a pepper plant that's doing real well. I've emptied the dirt over here into the wagon and chopped it up some and added some compost. Now I'm going to take this stuff and I'm going to give it some good fertilizing, because it's been growing stuff all summer and I know it's tired. So we're going to get it nicely riched up. And take the shovel, get it all turned. Because potatoes are a root crop and they don't like hard, tough soil. They want nice, loose, nutritious, friable soil. You want potatoes with lots of nutrition in them, you're going to have to give them soil with lots of nutrition. Then provide the sunlight and the water. So this soil here is looking pretty good. So we're going to start getting it put over here into the plants, into the pots. Took some of that rabbit wire and made cages to go inside these things so they stay open. I hate when they collapse and fold up. So they hold their shape really nicely. Well, with the addition of the compost, this soil has really looks good. Now, we're in the south, so I know a lot of people talk about potatoes. You plant them and you leave room so you can hill them up. Well, I've done that for many years, and I can tell you that frankly here where we are, the season is so short that if you hill them up, you just end up with the existing potatoes that are further down. It's just not a long enough growing season to be doing those late season type potatoes. So I'm going to want a little room to cover them some more as they grow, because as the dirt settles, the potatoes will be left high and dry, and then they turn green, you can't eat them. But at this point my soil is so soft, it'll settle as much as I need it to do that job. So these are not the biggest pots I've ever done with these, so I need as much dirt as I can to give the potatoes room to make potatoes. But this time of year you go with the kind of pots that you've got. So let me get my potatoes and we'll start planting. Now we got 3 pots, so I'm going to call this one white potatoes, this one purple potatoes, this one the red potatoes, white, white, red. I do believe I got more potatoes than I can put in these 3 pots, which is fine with me. I got plenty of pots. So, put 4 in there. Okay, I'm going to push these down in there. We've got starts for another container. So that gives me 3, red, white, and purple. And I'll get some dirt for another container. Alright, there's my new container. It's filled up with compost. Scattered some fertilizer on top of it. So we'll kind of toss that in. And this one is going to be a little bit of everything in the potato variety. I'm doing these close together because this is fall. It's a very short season. I'm not expecting baked potatoes out of this now. I'm looking for this same size, these size potatoes. Because they got a short season. And of course it gets even shorter because the days are going to be getting shorter, so there's not going to be as much sunlight. So what we're looking for here is a quick load of small potatoes. And now I got 4 containers, probably 20 sets in there between them. This should be really good. So it's August 31st. I'll try and remember that for when we harvest these, because people ask, when did you plant them, and I never can remember. So it's August 31st, Lawrenceville, Georgia. This is David at Grow and Eat This. It's only in the mid-80s, so I'm not quite sweating to death. And it is still plenty of time to get a fall garden in. I've got lettuce, cabbage, cauliflower, bok choy, beets starting up inside, different ages and stages. As soon as it gets a little bit cooler and things start to thin out of the regular garden, they'll all be getting out. So thank you for watching this far. Please subscribe and happy gardening.